let's start with the letter W. Letter W is wonderful. W is wolf, howling at night. W is for whale, swimming in the side. W is for wagon, rolling along the road. W is for wind, blowing so strong. W is for watermelon, sweet and juicy. W is for wall, standing so neat. W is for wizard, casting a spell. Letter W is wonderful, can't you tell? Let's sing and learn the letter W today.